Hi there! My dad has an amazing YouTube channel where he creates multimedia tutorials. He covers a wide range of topics from graphic design to video editing and everything in between. I love watching his videos because he makes learning fun and easy to understand. He always incorporates cool visuals and animations to keep his viewers engaged. Plus, he's always coming up with new and innovative ways to teach his audience. So if you're interested in learning some multimedia skills, be sure to check out my dad's channel.
Hello. In this video, we are gonna create some cool stuff by using Chat GPT and other sites. So as you seen in the starting of this video, we can convert the image into some cool animation with some dialogues. So now we'll see step by step. So first of all, we need to go to this site here, the chatgpt.org. And what the thing is, we need to click on this Chat GPT. And now what the thing is, here we can ask any kind of questions. You can create some statements or whatever. Based on that, the Chat GPT will provide us some script, and that script can be converted into audio file, and laterally we can create some cool animation as you seen in the starting of this video. So what the thing is, I am going to provide some prompt here. So let's say I will paste this prompt. So what I have typed is baby introduced about his father's YouTube channel based on the multimedia tutorials. So after this, we have to click on this send. Now it will start creating the script here. So see here, it has been created the script. So hi there, I'm baby and I want to introduce my father's YouTube channel, his channel all about creating the multimedia tutorials. So and so. So it has been created the new stuff. Actually previously when I tried this, it has been created another script which I have shown in the starting of this video. So I will show that. So I have saved the screenshot here. So previously I have created one prompt baby introduced about his father's YouTube channel based on this. So based on this prompt, the Chat GPT has been created this text here. So now I will show you how to convert this into audio first of all. So what the thing is, we need to copy this text. So Control C. So now what the thing is, we need to go to this site here, whatever site you're seeing like beta11labs.io. So I will provide this link in the description. So now what the thing is here, see, actually the previous one, it has been stored. So now I will paste the new text. So here we have to paste the text, whatever the text you want to convert into audio. So here we can select the what kind of audio you want, like female or male audio. So here we can see the preview. So if I click on this, if you do what you want, you'll get what you want. So this is the audio you're gonna listen. So here you can see the female version. So here we have to select whatever the tone you want. So at present I'm going to select this first one. And also let's say suppose if you want to convert this into like female, male, means like we can define the age too. So if you want to define the age, we can click on this add voice. So if you click on this add voice and click on this again add voice. So as I'm using the free trial version, so we can just create the default audios by using this option. So if you subscribe to this thing, we can import the audio samples too. So what tone you want exactly. For timing, I will select this voice design, and here you can see you can select the gender like male, female, and here you can select the age too, like young, middle age, old age. And what the thing is, just you can select the accent like American, British. So here I'm gonna select like Indian, and now here we have to paste the text here. And after pasting text, we have to click on this generate. So it will take some time to generate, like 1 to 2 minutes. Hi there, I'm a baby, and I want to introduce you to my multimedia. So you can see it has been created some random tone here based on the age which you have selected. So after doing that, we can download this audio from here. So if you click on this download, now it will ask me the location, and we can click on desktop or something and we can save it. So now the audio has been saved. Hi there, I'm a baby. But what the thing is, previously what I have created, it was good. So I will use that audio. So now what the thing is, so just we will leave this site here. And now what the thing is, we have to apply this audio to the image so that it will make some animation like lip movements. So in order to do that, we need to go to this site here, like studio.did.com. So I will provide this link in the description. So as you can see, I have created the video already. So if you want to create the video, we have to click on this create video. And here, what the thing is, first we need to add an avatar. Avatar is nothing but whatever the image you want to convert into an animations. We have to click on this and we have to browse. So what the thing is, I have browsed my son's image here. So whatever the image you want, you can upload here. And also what the thing is, you have to select the resolution which is below 2500 pixels. Suppose if you select the image which is more than 2500 pixels, you will get an error. For example, I will show you. So let's say I have selected this one. So here you are getting a problem. Fail to upload an image, resolution should be between 2500 and 16 MB. So you'll get an error. So in this case, what the thing is, I will select so this image which I have used, and see now it has been accepted the image. You can see here either you can paste the script or else whatever the audio you have created, you can click on this upload voice audio and we have to browse that audio which you have downloaded. So I will click on this upload and you have to click on this upload your own voice, and we have to browse the audio which you have downloaded from the previous site. So select this and click on open. Now see it has been uploaded. You can see the preview. So if you click on this, so this is a voice which I have created in the starting. So what the thing is, now by using this audio, we have to generate the video so that it will create the lip movements and some kind of head movements. So after uploading your audio, we have to click on this generate video and we have to click on this generate. Now it has been created. So it will take some time to generate this video, like 1 to 2 minutes. So I will click on this play. So see now it has been created the cool animations and it has been created the head movements and also like eye animations. So it's very cool. And also see it has been created the teeth too. It's very cool. So actually what the thing is, my son don't have teeth at present, but still it has been created the teeth and the lip sync is very accurate. So after generating, just if you want to download this video, just you have to click on this download and we have to browse the location. So let's I will browse on like desktop and click on save. So now it has been downloaded. If you go here, now you can play this video.
Hi there. My dad has an amazing YouTube channel where he creates multimedia tutorials. He covers a wide range of topics from graphic design to video editing and everything in between. I love watching his videos because he makes learning fun and easy to understand.
So this is very cool. So we can do a lot more stuff by using this Chat GPT. So what the thing is, just we need to go to Chat GPT, create some script over here. We can ask about the movie. So let's say now the recently the Triple R is been like very famous and it has been won the Oscar awards. So for example, so I'm gonna ask about the Triple R movie. So see now it has been created some details about this Triple R movie. Triple R is an upcoming Indian period action film that is directed by the SS Rajamouli. So I think the Chat GPT is not been updated, means like it has the information only up to 2019 or 20. I don't know exactly. So in this way we can ask the question whatever the information you want to know about. So I hope you people enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.